Today we are going to make winter melon or ash gourd juice. This is winter melon, also called ash gourd, white gourd or white pumpkin. In India, it is called Safed Petha. This is how winter melon or ash gourd looks. We have one winter melon which is about 2.5 kilos in weight, and we'll be slicing it into two equal sized pieces about 1 kilo and 250 grams each. One half of the winter melon will be used to make juice, and the other half will be used to prepare Petha halwa, that is winter melon halwa. So first we'll peel off the hard green skin. The winter melon is peeled, and now we'll slice it into smaller pieces. Once the pieces are sliced, we will remove the seeds as well as the net-like pulp in which they are embedded. Now slice away the seeds along with the soft pulp which is in the center, and retaining the hard pulp which is on the outside of the winter melon. Once the seeds and the soft pulp is removed from the slice of winter melon, chop it into smaller pieces. Chop all the slices into smaller sized pieces. The chopped winter melon is ready. Now we are going to grind these pieces. So transfer these pieces in batches to a grinder and grind to a fine puree. No need to add any water for grinding the winter melon. All the winter melon pieces have been ground to fine puree, and now we are going to strain this out through a muslin cloth. Pour as much of the puree as the cloth can hold and collect the cloth on top, then squeeze it to squeeze out the juice. Repeat this process until you have squeezed out all the juice from the entire puree. Winter melon contains a lot of water. Over 90% of the pulp is juice. As you can see, there's very little dry pulp remaining after squeezing out the juice. The first batch is done, and now repeat this process with the remaining puree until all the puree has been used and the juice extracted. So here is the extracted or the squeezed out winter melon juice. We will pour the juice into glasses and check how much juice we have. So we have here about 600 ml of winter melon juice, or about 50% juice out of the winter melon. Remember, if you are using a juicer, the quantity of juice extracted will be much more. 1 glass or about 250 ml of winter melon juice should be consumed every day. Drink this juice on empty stomach every morning, and it has to be drunk every day to get the full health benefits of winter melon. After consuming winter melon juice, do not drink or eat for 2 hours to let the juice act completely. Remember, this juice has to be drunk by itself, alone. No spices, no salt, nothing has to be added to it. And drink it sip by sip. Of course, it has a bland taste, but the health benefits are beyond the taste. So go for it. Always make the juice and drink it immediately. Do not keep it whether outside or in the fridge. Just don't. Winter melon juice detoxifies the body, it removes toxins. It is a natural coolant. It makes you alert, gives you a lot of energy, and makes your nerves very, very calm. Besides this, there are a lot of other benefits, and these are listed in a slide after this. Do try this and give your feedback, and let us know how you feel after consuming this juice. If you like this video, please like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.